Hey everyone, this is Kayla with Stamping Before Anything Else. Today in this Make It in Minutes Monday video, we are going to share how to make this thank you card, which I can see being used for wedding thank yous, bridal thank yous, or just thank you in general. It's very fast, very easy to make, so let me show you what you'll need. You'll be needing the Artistically inked stamp set. We're going to be using the thanks and then this small flower insert here. And then you'll also need some thick, basic white cardstock. It's going to be 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4, right in half. So when you fold it, it's going to be like a book. And then we're going to need a piece of basic white cardstock cut at 4.5 by 3 3/4, pale papaya ink, black memento ink, and then the pale papaya open weave ribbon. You don't have to use the ribbon if you don't want to. You can leave that off. You could also add rhinestones if you'd like. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our small piece, open up our pale papaya, and stamp our flower dot all over the front of the card. Now that we have that done, we're going to come in with our thanks and the black memento ink. Stamp that up and stamp the front of the cardstock. Then I took our ribbon and tied it in a bow. I used our bow maker because I suck at making bows. We use a glue dot to adhere our bow to the front. Then I'm going to take dimensionals and adhere the colored stamp piece that we did and adhere to the front of the card. And there is our final card. I really hope that you enjoyed this. As always, you can find any of this product online on our store. You could shop it 24 hours a day as long as you live in the United States. But if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. And visit our blog for more pictures and the measurements for this card. Thanks so much for joining us.